11 candidates died during a police exam. This was during the physical exam for recruitment in the police services there, and cases of unnatural death have now been registered. So 11 candidates died during the tryouts, the physical test, which began on August 22nd across 6 centers, and 4 deaths took place in Palamu center, 2 each in Giridih and Hazaribag. So 11 candidates died while undertaking physical tests during a drive to recruit excise constables in Jharkhand. And now this is a competitive examination, and remember, there's a lot of pressure, a lot of people who are vying for very few jobs. So these took place across several districts of Ranchi, Giridih, Hazaribag, Palamu, East Singhbhum. 4 deaths, as we mentioned, took place in Palamu, 2 each in Giridih and Hazaribag, and 1 person each in Ranchi's Jaguar Center and East Singhbhum's center as well. But the BJP has now hit out over this and over how these tests were conducted, the fact that so many deaths have taken place.
See, due to the lackluster effort by the Jharkhand government, carelessness by the Jharkhand government, 11 aspirants in the excise personnel recruitment case have died so far in the physical training, in the physical exercise that they had to do. And this is absolutely shocking. The Jharkhand government had promised jobs. Instead, it's distributing death. And there is total collapse of the system. 200 aspirants are in hospitals. More than 100 are in ICU. There have been so many deaths and adequate medical protection has not been done. So we think this is totally murder by the system, and Jharkhand government should take precautionary measure before it actually goes for such massive scale. There was no preparedness.
Well, let's go across to NDTV's Prabhakar now for more. And Prabhakar, the BJP describing it as murder by the system. This is not the first time that people have died during these trials, but it's very, very unfortunate. Give us more details of what happened.
See, this is a clear case of mismanagement. Remember, 562 aspirants were to be recruited for the post of constable in the excise department, and thousands, more than 50,000 aspirants actually appeared at the 6th examination center, which was spread across the states of Jharkhand. Now, first they were supposed to take the physical test, which was to complete 11 kilometers within a span of 1 hour, and that's a test actually which requires quite a physical fitness by the aspirants. The weather over there when this test was being conducted was very hot and humid, so the people who are conducting this test, they should have thought over it and they should have made some alternative arrangements. Now they decided to proceed ahead with this physical test, which was to be held at all the 6 centers. And it resulted in collapse of many of the aspirants. Around 200 aspirants are still in the hospital. 11 of them so far have died. So it's a big number. It's a huge number. And they were there for the physical test. And after they would have qualified for the physical test, then there would be a written examination as well. So this was the first stage of test which these aspirants were taking up, and then they would have been recruited as a constable in the excise department, which is a secure job going by that standard, and it's a government job. So many of the aspirants, especially those who prepare for the police jobs or the army, they all appeared here. They were trying their luck there, but because of the hot and humid weather, and because of the stringent rules over there where they could not actually break away when they were running, so many of them collapsed while they were giving this test, and they were rushed to the hospital, and later the procedure of this entire test at all the centers were postponed after the reports of many of them aspirants actually falling ill came to the public light.
Right, Prabhakar, so very tragic. 11 people losing their lives like this. Thanks so much for joining us there with all those details. We're now joined on the phone line by Dr. Tanuj Khatri, spokesperson of the JMM. Your response to, what has taken place, it's such a huge tragedy. 11 people have died, 200 are in hospital, and the BJP describing it as murder by the system.
On hold. Please stay on the line.
Right, Dr. Tanuj Khatri, if you can hear me, if you can respond to, this incident, what has happened, this tragedy of 11 candidates dying during these tryouts, the BJP hitting out, calling it murder by the system. All right, we will try and connect with the JMM spokesperson, but as Prabhakar was telling us, a massive tragedy. 1,27,000 aspirants appeared for the physical tests for this and across several districts. This was on the 30th of August, and 78,000 people managed to clear it. These were physical tests for the Jharkhand excise constable position. And it was after clearing the physical test that one would be able to sit then for the competitive examination. However, given that 11 people died, 200 were hospitalized, for the moment it has been put on hold. As we said, deaths took place in separate centers as well. So this is the BJP hitting out over this incident and saying that the deaths have taken place due to the mismanagement by authorities. In fact, what the organizers have said is that adequate arrangements, including medical teams, medicines, ambulance, mobile toilets and drinking water were arranged at all the centers. But still, even so, how is it that such a huge number of people died? 11 young men have died after appearing for this physical test for this Jharkhand excise constable position. Well, we're now joining us on the phone line is Dr. Tanuj Khatri, spokesperson of the JMM. Your response to these allegations of mismanagement, the fact that such a huge number, 11 people died during this physical examination.
देखिए, ये एक बहुत ही दुखद घटना है कि जिस प्रकार से जो अभ्यर्थी थे वो शामिल हुए थे इस नियुक्ति की प्रक्रिया में, और दौड़ जो है वो नियुक्ति का एक अहम हिस्सा है। उसको पार करने के बाद ही आप क्वालिफाई करते हैं, और अगर ऐसे में अगर ये घटना घटी है तो ये काफी दुखद है। और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ने इस पर खुद संज्ञान लिया है। जिस भी जिले में ये घटना घटी है उस वहाँ के उपायुक्तों को जल्द से जल्द उसका रोकथाम के लिए, आखिर किन वजहों से ये घटना घटी है, उसके लिए मुख्यमंत्री जी ने स्वयं इस पर संज्ञान लिया और सरकार गंभीर है इस विषय पर। लेकिन पहला सवाल ये आता है कि दूसरी तरफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो ऐसे मुद्दों पर जब अभ्यर्थियों को, जब लोगों को, युवक युवतियों को जब सरकार रोजगार देने का काम कर रही है, तब उस पर राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए। निश्चित रूप से घटना दुखद होती है, मृत्यु किसी की हो जाना या उसको किसी भी प्रकार से उसको आहत पहुंचना, ये दुखद घटना है। हम सभी उस नौजवानों के साथ में खड़े हैं, लेकिन इस पर राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए।
राइट, डॉक्टर तनुज खत्री, अब बीजेपी ऑपोजिशन में है स्टेट में, तो जरूर उठाएंगे ये मुद्दा, जिस तरह से ये मिसमैनेजमेंट हुआ है, क्यों इतने हाई नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स हुई हैं, 11 लोग मरे हैं इस फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन, कंपेटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में अपियर करने में। अगर बहुत गर्मी थी तो शायद ये एग्जाम उस समय नहीं होना चाहिए था। ये सब सोचने वाली बातें, तो ऑब्वियसली जो ऑपोजिशन है स्टेट में वो ये मुद्दा उठाएगा और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से मांगेगा जवाब।
नहीं, देखिए, अभी तो बरसात का मौसम है, गर्मी की तो कोई बात है नहीं, लेकिन ठीक है, फिर भी सरकार जो है इसको अपने स्तर से जांच करवाएगी कि ये सारी चीजें किन परिस्थितियों में ये हुआ है। अब चूंकि ये एक गंभीर विषय है, गंभीर विषय इसलिए है कि दौड़ने के दौरान अगर किसी की सांस फूलने से मृत्यु हो गई हो तो ये तो एक मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन का सवाल है, तो ये जरूर इस पर एग्जामिनेशन होगा, एग्जामिन किया जाएगा इन चीजों को। लेकिन वहाँ राजनीति का मुद्दा, बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं, लेकिन अपोजिशन को यह समझना चाहिए कि आप किसी की मौत पर राजनीति नहीं करें।